If you're just frustrated because you can't get acrylic pouring, then this video is for you. And the second mistake is basically mixing paints that are different consistencies. So here the white and the black are more thick, but the red is not. So you'll start seeing that the red is just flowing, right? It's flowing super fast, but the black is staying a little bit behind, and the white as well. So here you'll just see that these paints are just flowing at different rates, and I don't think you can see it on camera, but right here in the middle, I have a big clump of paint, like a thick layer of paint. And over here, it's very thin because I'm trying to spread this out, but some paints are going faster than others, so they're not going evenly. Like right here, I have a gap where maybe I have some thicker paint and some of this is thinner and it's moving around faster. So I have a big area in the middle where it's a thick layer, and over here I have thin layers. And you know, you're just getting all these drips, right? Drip here, drip here, drip here. Some areas are not even moving. It's just because some areas are thicker there. So yeah,